Alright, this is Chris with Goodland Plumbing. Today's date is November 24th, 2025. Time is about 1 p.m. We are at 525 East Mitchell-Terrena, cameraing from women's toilet on 3rd floor. They have issues from time to time where one toilet will get, women's will get blocked up, then sometimes possibly the men's, and then possibly sometimes both. We're about 40 feet out. It's as far as I can get this out due to the bends and lack of cleanouts. We're going to be going against flow. Right now we are we're on the horizontal run between the 1st and 2nd floor, kind of in the reception area, kind of where the filing is, just before, kind of in the area where the door goes out right by the elevator. So we had just hit the horizontal run there, which is again is going between the 1st, 2nd floor. We're coming up the wall. Now we go from vertical back to horizontal. Actually, we're still going. So here we go. Going from vertical to horizontal. Now we are going. Now we are in the ceiling or the floor between 2nd and 3rd floor. Kind of going across. Wouldn't say it would be a receptionist desk, but where the coffee maker is. Here's our tie-in where women's restroom meets men's restroom. As you can see on the bottom left corner of the screen, we've got our degrees of angle, which we're at 0, which means we're flat. We want to be somewhere around that, on the horizontal, somewhere around the -1 to -2. We're kind of flat from between the tie-in to the men's restroom and women's. Got some fall here, -1. Back to 0. Now we got couple bends here. Which are pretty difficult to get through. We kind of did jumped into a vertical, kind of rose up, and then flattened back out. About to pop out toilet flange. So again, women's restroom. As you can see, toilet flange is kind of, the pipe is offset to the toilet flange. So it goes straight over to kind of about the toilet paper roll. That's where it kind of basically just, it'll dive down and wrap around and get out to this section. You know, right after the first tile, and it'll run that section through the common wall between men and women's, which men's is on the other side there. It goes right underneath the lav. A little bit different layout. The toilet, this one's more of a square. The toilet will be kind of over on the opposite wall. And roll 2 grabs the lav and then ties in with this line. End of video.